If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp for generating affiliate sales, you're in the right place. Mailchimp isn't just for sending emails, it's a powerful tool for growing your affiliate marketing business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to leverage Mailchimp's features to turn your email list into a profitable affiliate marketing engine. Stick around because we'll be revealing some game-changing strategies. You can get started with Mailchimp for free using the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses that can help you boost your results right away. Let's dive into the first thing you need to understand. Building your email list, Without an email list, generating affiliate sales is a lot harder. Mailchimp makes list building simple. You can set up a sign-up form on your website or landing page, offering a valuable lead magnet, like an ebook or a free guide. This attracts subscribers who are already interested in your niche. The more targeted your list, the higher the chances of generating affiliate sales. Next thing, creating effective email campaigns, Once you have your list, you need to keep them engaged with high-quality emails. With Mailchimp, you can create automated email campaigns to nurture your leads. This means you don't have to send every email manually. Automate your email series, offering helpful content and gently introducing affiliate products relevant to your audience. The trick is to make these emails informative and non-sleazy. People appreciate value over a hard sell. The third thing, segmenting your audience, Mailchimp offers powerful segmentation tools. You can divide your audience into different groups based on their behavior, interests, or engagement with past emails. This allows you to tailor your affiliate offers more precisely. For example, you can send different affiliate products to people who clicked on a specific link in your email versus those who didn't. The fourth thing, testing and optimizing your emails, Mailchimp provides A/B testing, which lets you test different subject lines, email designs, and even the affiliate products you're promoting. This allows you to continuously improve your email campaigns to maximize your affiliate sales. Over time, you'll get a better understanding of what resonates with your audience, and you can adjust your strategy for even better results. The fifth thing, tracking your results, You can't improve what you don't measure. Mailchimp's analytics let you track open rates, click rates, and conversion rates. This is essential for understanding how well your affiliate links are performing. You can then optimize your content to push more sales. Mailchimp's reporting gives you a clear picture of what's working and what's not, so you can adjust your strategy accordingly. And finally, consistency is key. To really make Mailchimp work for you in generating affiliate sales, consistency is essential. Keep sending high-value emails, keep optimizing, and most importantly, keep offering solutions that help your audience. Affiliate sales won't happen overnight, but with consistent effort and the right tools, you'll see results. Remember, you can start using Mailchimp for free today with the exclusive bonuses I've linked below. I also mentioned an extended trial, which gives you access to all of Mailchimp's premium features to really take your affiliate marketing to the next level. Now that you know how to use Mailchimp for generating affiliate sales, start applying these tips and watch your sales grow.